Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about earn extra money with these side hustles. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This is something that has to be done by people as well, but we won't discuss it until later in this video. Even though it may seem to be a small act, your support of the channel and encouragement for me to continue providing you with videos and other materials are much appreciated. Now, without further ado, let's get started with these supplemental income opportunities. Today, I'm going to show 10 different side hustles that we can do if we want to do any sort of side hustles that interest us. We're going to talk about everything that has to do with growing wealth and generating more money. And I'm also going to explain how we can make more money. Some of them are simpler to initiate than others, and some of them produce more money, but with some of them, you have the potential to earn over $1,000 in a single day or even more. The first step is to start working as a ghostwriter. These days, it seems like everyone and their mother is releasing a book. But if you assume that they all sat down and wrote the book by themselves, you are mistaken. They have other people, known as ghostwriters, do the writing for them, even though they may be the one who came up with the ideas and may be the ones who hold the rights to all of the material. There are still some others working behind the scenes who sometimes write for them. They are referred to as ghostwriters. Freelance writers have the ability to earn up to $30,000 per Fiverr.com, whilst ghostwriters have the capacity to earn up to $400,000 per Fiverr.com. Therefore, you should definitely give this a second look if you are skilled at writing and like nothing more than sitting down with a pen and paper. If this describes you, you need to give this some serious consideration. Working as a mystery shopper is the second career choice available to you. We are aware that this can give the impression of being a mystery, but it is really pretty straightforward. A great number of businesses are considered about the shopping experience of their customers, regardless of whether the store in question is online or brick and mortar, because they are interested in the performance of their customer service representatives and cashiers. They hire individuals to act as mystery shoppers and pay them to visit the shops and make a few purchases and keep a record of their experiences. You may sign up to be a mystery shopper on any one of the many websites that are available online nowadays. Number 3. Your favorite influencers do not want you to know this, but every time they talk about the product on their Instagram stories and they LinkedIn, and you can click and go buy that product. They get some coins out of it, especially when it's linked to Amazon. So you can become an Amazon associate, but of course you're going to have an audience somewhere, and in order to achieve it, you must research in advance on how to grow your audience. In the fourth place, you may become a personal shopper by starting your own company and working for yourself as an employee. It is a thing. It is for wealthy people who do not want to buy for themselves, and that is where you come in. There are websites that link individuals who do not want to shop with personal shoppers. You could use one of these websites to connect with wealthy people who do not want to shop by themselves. By going to one of these websites, you may be able to make contact with affluent individuals who have no interest in shopping. Yes, it is a fact that the target demographic consists of wealthy people who despise doing grocery shopping on their own. The fifth possible career path is functioning as a virtual assistant while working from home. You could be able to assist a small business owner or even a major business owner and be paid for your services if you are well organized, talented at multitasking, and knowledgeable about how to use social media. This is especially true if you are familiar with how to use social media. On the website, you will be able to sign up to become a virtual assistant. If you do so, you will not only have the opportunity to make money, but you may also wind up saving the life of a company owner. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The sixth piece of advice is for you to participate in a focus group for market research. It is possible that you may get cash remuneration for taking part in a marketing focus group while playing the character that is most natural to you. They want to hear this perspective because they want to sell their products to all these different kinds of people. Hence, all you need to do to begin being paid to voice your unique opinion on a product or service is to identify a marketing focus group in your neighborhood and join it. The seventh step is to put your skills in graphic design to the test by participating in a competition to create a logo on the website 99designs.com. It is not limited to the creation of logos, websites, t-shirt designs, and other such things. 99designs.com offers everything a designer could ever need.
Home sitting is the eighth position on the list, and I prefer to think of it as being paid to enjoy luxury. The employment at issue is known as house sitting. Some people have second homes or vacation properties, and because they don't want to leave them unoccupied while they're gone, they hire house sitters to live in their houses and look after their properties while they're away. This allows them to avoid having to worry about the security of their homes. You may look for this service on the internet at a website like care.com, for instance.
Number 9 is your money. Investments are how you grow your wealth, and if you would like me to do videos on investing on the channel in the future, please let me know in the comments area. For the time being, we're primarily talking about businesses, monetization, side hustles, and other topics along those lines. Last on the list is to help job seekers with resume writing or cover letter writing. This one is relatively easy to start. All you need to do is create a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one and advertise your services on there. People are constantly going on LinkedIn to search for jobs and to search for people who can help with cleaning up their resumes and cleaning up their cover letters or their LinkedIn profiles in order to get good jobs. Of course, whenever you save a draft of your resume or cover letter. I really hope that you are able to find the courage and self reassurance to start putting these lessons into action. When you are able to overcome your anxieties and limiting beliefs, you will start to accept responsibility for your own actions. I am grateful that you chose to watch. I really hope that you were able to pick up some useful information from this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.